Greeting from Rachna Sagar. This year too, as usual, we have launched CBSE Pariksha Pre-Board Papers 2021 for classes 10th and 12th. CBSE Pariksha 2021 will be for class 10th and 12th, both for science and commerce streams. This letter we shall be shortly mailing to all the schools, which contains the detail of how the Pariksha papers shall be dispatched to the schools once they are ordered. A QR code will also be given on the top right hand side of the letter, which will mention the details of how to conduct the Pariksha. The Pariksha has been designed keeping in mind the time management skills and the concept of easy, average and difficult level of questions as proposed by CBSE. The papers are based totally on the new design as issued by the CBSE. The CBSE Pariksha is based on 30% reduced and rationalized syllabus and has been designed by renowned teachers, authors in order that the objectives of the prescribed syllabi are achieved. CBSE Pariksha 2021 this year shall be offered in two modes, offline as well as online mode. The details of both the modes are mentioned in this letter. An additional feature this time will be a module by name of Assess Yourself. With both the online as well as offline mode comes Assess Yourself, which is an online assessment in which multiple choice questions have been set. The assessment covers the entire syllabus in MCQs form. Assess Yourself is meant for revising the syllabus just before taking the pre-board papers, that is CBSE Pariksha. As usual, we shall be having 7 subjects in class 10th like Hindi A, Hindi B, English Language and Literature, Mathematics Basic and Standard, Science and Social Science. There shall be 7 subjects in class 10th, and likewise we shall be having 8 subjects in class 12th, which shall be English Core, Mathematics, Physics, Business Studies, Chemistry, Economics, Biology and Accountancy. As usual, there shall be 3 sets of question papers for each subject. For example, in English Language and Literature, there shall be the first paper RSPL 1, second shall be RSPL 2 and the third shall be RSPL 3. For example, if a school orders 90 question papers of English, we shall be giving 3 sets of question papers of 30 papers each. After the examination is held, we shall be forwarding the detailed solution to the school, who shall be forwarding it to the teachers, which will help them in evaluating the answer sheets. As usual, there shall be 10 All India toppers per subject and a cash prize and a meritorious certificate shall be awarded to the students. The school or an institute shall be awarded a shield if an All India topper is from their school/institute. The order form for the Pariksha is enclosed at the back of this letter, wherein all the subjects are mentioned. Along with this Pariksha letter, we shall be enclosing order form for CBSE Pariksha, 1 set of question paper of 2020, the first and last page of the answer sheet. The answer sheet will be exactly as per the CBSE answer sheet. So we request all of you to go through this letter along with the enclosures and place your order at the earliest. Thanks a lot.